Hi guys, this is Masood Danish, personal trainer. So today I want to talk about the intermittent fasting. The people call, maybe you hear from someone, the IF, I'm doing IF. What is the IF, intermittent fasting? I want to explain about intermittent fasting today. So my clients ask me about this. What is that? So there is certain period you have to eat and certain some hours you have to don't eat. That's simple. Like you can start from 12 hours fast and 12 hours eating period. Then you should go on 14 hours. Then you can go 16 hours. The best 16 hours is good for you to be doing intermittent fasting. But how to do that is more important for you. Some people are say, "Oh, I'm not eating like I'm fast." No, it's not fast. For fasting, you shouldn't eat anything minimum any sugars, any kind of carbs like more than 15 calories. If you eat more than 15 calories, you will break your fast, which you will not have any benefits. So when you stay on the fast, what will happen? Your body will create the ketosis in the body for energy. So the ketosis will come ketogenesis, like ketosis will come from the fats. So your body will start burning fat as a energy. So if you will eat something, if even you drink with milk tea once, so you will break your fast. So the rule is very important in IFF. You have to follow the proper rules, then you will have benefits. Like you can start from at night from 6 to 7 until the morning, 16 hours. Shouldn't eat anything. Just you can drink black coffee or green tea. That's enough. No need more. You can have two, three coffees, one green tea, one, two green teas. That's fine. But you shouldn't eat like uh, tea with milk, anything, coffee with milk. If you had something, you will break your fast. So you will not have any benefits. So we will have a lot of benefits from the intermittent fasting. The other simple is very easy. We will have a lot of benefits from intermittent fasting. What kind of? We will lose fat. It's good for your body healing. Your body will work, your brains work on your body for healing. Otherwise, you are eating all the time. Your brain is working for digestion system. So you have to be give the time on your brain to work on your body for healing. So enjoy this intermittent fasting. It's very good for fat loss and for body tuning, for your glow, for your face, for your inner healing. If you have any pain, for pain is very good. So if you want to ask any question about intermittent fasting, you can ask me in the comment section. As soon as possible, I will reply for you. Bye for now. Thanks.